August 1st, 2021. I'm just getting up, getting ready for my day, and I get this call, and there's a frantic voice at the end of the call. It's one of our employees telling me, "Fire, fire, the lodge is on fire." I got here, and what I saw was just terrible. The whole lodge, 18,000 square feet, was in fire, engulfed, big flame. It didn't take long to realize that it was a total loss. So after the fire, we knew we had to save the season. So what are we going to do? Luckily, our ski lifts, our snowmaking equipment was intact. So what we needed is lodging to keep our customers comfortable through the winter. So I went online, Googled, temporary shelter, and saw BOXX Modular. Picked up the phone and then called, and right away I was actually able to talk to somebody right away, and that was Andre.
So when I got the call from Luke, he explained what he required. He required a ski lodge, ski rental equipment area, and some lavatories. Within a quick search, we realized that we were going to have all this equipment available to him, and we were able to turn it around for him in about a 3.5-month period. And here you can see the ski lodge that we're standing in has worked out very well for him. It was an interesting project right from the get-go to kind of hear about the whole story, but also to be able to help save their ski season and then also keep 400+ employees employed through the winter was definitely very rewarding.
I would say that the rental shop has more customer space now than we did before. We've been able to use the space really, really effectively to make a good pass-through system. Being able to adjust walls or work with the walls that we were given really allowed us to control customer flow through the building, which allowed us a lot more access to space and storage and customer space versus staff space. It's been a great, great option.
Yeah, well, I've been skiing here since almost 30 years already, wow. And it was very disappointing for us to see our chalet go away, but what an amazing idea that they had to build this new chalet. It's actually perfect. It did the job.
We were so impressed how quickly everything happened. As you know, the fire happened on August 1st, and by mid-November, the units were delivered, assembled, put together, talking about the chalet, the lavatories, the ski shop, and it turned out fantastic. So our customers and ourselves were so impressed with the final product, and it saved the ski season.
So this is our first project that we've done in the province of Quebec. As you can see, it was a unique problem that required a unique solution. Whatever your space requirements are, please give BOXX Modular a call. We'll have a unique solution just for you.